We are more focused about data analytics to identify the customer behavior, customer transaction patterns, and more towards customer centric, right? To provide the better customer experience. We are trying to define our products in a way customer wants, right? So thought process is different, and we are trying to augment our processes through these technologies.
In terms of IoT, we are very much there in terms of especially our plants, where we get the information from the sensors and we run all the big data analysis on them to get information about their efficiencies and the related information.
We are just making our data warehouse ready for that. If a company doesn't have a stable structured database available for all such kind of new technology, one cannot be able to get most out of it. So yes, we are working on it. We are looking to get more and more advantage with the help of Oracle, obviously. But right now we are finalizing, or you can say we are getting a BI and the data warehouse ready for that, so that we can get most out of this BI, the new technology.
Kinu is hugely dependent on big data. We currently, because of the magnitude of data, is such that we could do via in-house tools. But checking out the behavioral pattern of customers, of merchants, and what kind of cards get acquired on the terminals that we have placed, and how could we increase the footfall, how could we increase business, how could we offer several products to customers. There's because of the multifaceted approach of Kinu's business, we utilize this data. As far as AI is concerned, like Pakistan, Kinu is still catching up. We know what to do with AI, and with the current regime, the regulatory regime that's evolving and changing, I think we'd be able to do wonders with it. But the problem is the cost of technology. If we import AI, it will kind of AI will cost us so much that it will not be worthy enough. So some local solution has to prop up, which is not present right now. That's the problem.
For a manufacturing company or a financial company, basically data management, and on the top of the data management, analytics is very necessary in order to get to know what is going on in the market, how customers is feeling about you. So you have to put your whole raw data in analytics form. So we have been implemented many, as I will told you also, that we are already on Oracle. So we have been developing many reports for analytics, but on a traditional ERP suite, not on a cloud suite, but we have been on those things. And we have another analytics tools also, ClickView, ClickSense. We are using it for this data mining, typically for intelligence analytics.
We are experimenting with AI machine learnings to be more specific. We are looking into it, that how some of the regulatory compliances, some of the back office work can be moved from the manual human intensive decision making to AI. We have successfully done few pilot projects using some of the off-the-shelf available technology, and it's getting excited. We are getting excited by using it.
So data obviously is the new oil, as they say. And we are very, very cognizant of this fact. Data can definitely help us provide the kind of user experiences that we want our customers to have. So personalization is key in this day and age. The customer must have the feeling that this bank knows him or her very, very well. We know what you like, what you don't like, how are you feeling at this time, what sort of services you require. None of our products that once we launch this bank, none of our products are going to be off the shelf. They're going to be created in real time, and we will offer bespoke services to all our customers, inshallah.